this screencast, I will be showing you how to access MaxKnowledge through Ask Fred. So you're going to go ahead and log into Ask Fred. You go over here and click on Applications. That will bring you to this menu. You're going to scroll on down to MaxKnowledge. You're going to click on that. This brings you to the login page. And then you have the option of choosing Faculty Development Program Campus Instructors, so that's on campus, or Faculty Development Program Online Instructors. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this one. You're going to click on Training Courses. That will open up the menu to give you your modules. Then you're going to choose whichever module you want to start with your MaxKnowledge. And then you're going to go ahead and click on the one that you want. And click on Cultural Diversity. And then you're going to enroll. Once you enroll, it'll bring the modules up. And the very beginning is just an introduction. Here's the whole module. You can begin with this part of it, and then it takes you through each one. At the end, you're going to do your final quiz. Then you receive your certificate and your badge. Those go to your email, and then you send that email to your supervisor. And that's it.